Hey guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. You guys, if you don't know where I'm at or why my background look like this, then just watch the previous video before this one. But this is part 2 on me telling you guys what I'm supposed to be doing with my hair. So I'm probably not going to be able to show you guys me washing my hair or taking down the bulk of my hair. But I wanted to try to explain to you what I'm doing so that if anybody is doing this routine, you know exactly what products I used and how I did it. And yeah, so I am going to thoroughly first deep condition and wash my hair. So because I am not in my house, these are the two products that I'm going to be using is the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle Teaser shampoo and conditioner. And the conditioner, I don't remember if it gives me a lot of slip, but I know that this conditioner has a lot more healthier ingredients in it than other conditioners that I've used. I have changed up with some of the things that I put inside of my body because of the health of my hair. So I don't want to continue to use those same things on my hair because I've changed up what I'm putting inside of my hair. So, inside of my body. So I hope that makes sense. So I'm going to first clarify and clean my hair with the shampoo. And then following that, I am going to do a deep treatment with this conditioner and also putting just straight extra virgin olive oil. These two together, I am going to put a plastic bag on my head. I'm going to sit under a heated cap for maybe 30 minutes or so. Yeah, maybe 30 minutes or so. And then I'm going to add a little bit more conditioner. And I am going to take my twist down on wet hair. And with a lot of olive oil in my hair. And the reason why I'm using this olive oil and I'm not using my oil, which I brung it, is my oil, but I put it in a different bottle. And I'm showing you guys my oil like this because I don't want to give away what my bottle looked like because I've been testing my bottles for about almost a year now. Like I purchased the bottles and then I've been testing it to make sure that my consistency is right with the oil, blah, 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 blah. The bottle is good. I like the way that it's holding up. So before I actually release it to you guys, that's how come I've just been showing you guys that black bottle and I haven't showed you guys what the actual product bottle looks like. But I did bring my own bottle. I did bring my own bottle of oil, but because I only have this small bottle of oil, I want to just get that right on my scalp. And then for the length of my hair, or if I'm doing like a hot oil treatment or something like that, I'm using extra virgin olive oil because I'm not at home with the bulk of my oils that I make. So and you guys, my background is loud because once again, I'm not home. So after I get this in my hair and I sit with a plastic heated cap on my head, I hope and pray to God that this conditioner got enough slip in there for me and my hair is moisturized enough to where I can just twist out of my hair, unravel the gunky stuff at the nape of my head good enough, and then be able to just take my twist down with ease. I am gonna sit with my hair under a plastic cap as I'm taking down my hair so that the rest of it doesn't dry up. This is a big change and a big difference in what I'm doing with my hair when I take my hair down, because you know, if you've been here for a long time, say it with me, church. If you've been here for a long time, then you know I would normally douse and drench my head in some type of conditioner, leave-in conditioner. I will allow it to dry on my hair for maybe 2 or 3 days until my hair feels really waxy. And then I will take down my twist or my braids with a waxy coated fill-in hair. But with these particular twists, they're kinky twists to me. I feel like my hair actually responded a lot better when I took it down on wet hair instead of damp hair or dry hair. So, and I feel like I had a lot less breakage that way. So that's what I am going to be doing with my hair as a routine. After I wash my hair and take my twist out, I'm actually trying to figure out what I'm going to do with my hair before I have my sister-in-law part my hair. And today is the 19th of December 2022. So I'm trying to figure out, I leave on January 5th, 2023, which is so crazy. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have her part my hair maybe sometime during the Christmas week break. So my hair might only be loose for approximately 6 or 7 days. I'm not sure when she has off work. So yeah, my hair is gonna be loose maybe only a week, and then I'm gonna come on here and show you guys what I'm gonna be using to braid or kinky twist my hair back up before I get back on the plane. And yes, so that is going to be my wash and prep routine for me taking down my twist. And then I'm going to come on here and show you guys in another video. It'll probably be a lot faster of me actually taking down my hair and showing you guys like the before and after. And then I will obviously come back on here and tell you guys if I'm gonna blow dry my hair. Do I gotta? Oh yeah. So I'll probably show you guys how I blow dry my hair and do all of that in one video, so that it's not so many videos chopped up. But yes, I will probably show you guys her parting me blow drying my hair, her parting my hair, and then what I'm going to be using to braid my hair. And then I'll probably show you guys maybe a roll of hair that I'm going to be braiding. And I think that would work pretty well for that to be like a whole video. So yeah, just kind of future videos if you guys are interested or what's coming up. That's what's going to be coming up. And I'm trying to learn how to do shorts for you guys. Yeah, I'm so late with shorts, but I'm trying to learn how to do a couple of shorts for you guys. So the ones that don't want to sit here and get full instruction, spoken out loud videos, then you're just going to be missing the educational part of the videos and just seeing like the before and after and thinking like, oh my God, her hair probably always looked good or whatever the case may be. But that's not the real tea if you don't watch the video. So yeah, I'm going to stop rambling. I just wanted to let you guys know what my prep is to take down my hair. And I will probably be back on here in a couple of days to show you guys what my taken down hair looks like, wet hair looks like. Maybe I should detangle with you guys since my hair has been up for 3 months. I'm trying to think if I should say it has been up for 3 months, but I've taken each one of them down and detangled it, got the shed hair out, and now this is a fresh new 6 weeks of my hair being up, or maybe even 7 weeks. So yeah, you guys, I'm going to stop rambling in this video, and the next video is going to be me detangling my hair and thinking about what I'm going to do with my hair next. So if you guys like this video or if you guys like these updates, please leave comments down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.